One of the audience has asked me the question, how to make more online sales. So let me try and answer that for everybody. The first thing you need to do is to actually review your own website and check your customer experience. If you look at it with a fresh pair of eyes, is it easy to use? Is it a frictionless experience? Are products findable? And is the basket really straightforward? If not, that might be your problem. But the real way to understand what the problem is to first look at the website analytics. See how many visitors you've got, what their flow around the site looks like, and where they're exiting, so you know that perhaps that might be the area you need to work on. Other ways to boost online sales, of course, is to perhaps look at other channels, like third-party marketplaces. And your SEO is super important as well. So that's something you'll need to consider. But another way, which does come with a budget, and it's more around spending a little on AdWords or Facebook ads, is to use very carefully curated ads to channel customers to the website. And that's a great method to use if you're finding your visitor numbers are too low. And I would really strongly advise working with someone who is an expert in making sure that your budget gives you the maximum return on investment, because it's very easy to spend a lot of money on AdWords and Facebook ads and get nothing out of it. So to the topic, how do I boost my online sales? There's a number of strategies, and it really depends on understanding your website performance first before then taking the necessary action to address it.